So can he play them?
I've got him, yeah, I've got him. He's with their world-class striker.
So talking about our plan for Anthony Martial with whether he would fast forward him being more readily available with the injury to Martial. But he said he's ready to start, and literally, rewind a week ago or so, 2 weeks ago, he was saying he's not ready to start games yet. He needs to feel his way into it, coming in 15 minutes here, 30 minutes there. But he's ready to start now. Probably ain't going to play 90 minutes, of course. I don't think that will happen. I'll be interested to see what we do in midfield, but Ten Hag spoke about he wanted to attack with 11 players. One of the journalists asked him what it would be like to have the back, and he said how good he is, how good he can be, and I think him coming back is going to be massive for us. But would it be at the detriment of going back forward again instead of playing deep on? And I think with Casemiro and Eriksen, I think that's what he was asked about basically how he defended him in the past, but what I liked about his answer was that he wasn't just saying I'm defending Martial because he's my player, and that's what I do as Manchester United manager. Defending Martial was pretty good before having to come off. So the times he has played, which I know hasn't been a lot, he has had an impact in the game, and that's what we want to see. Continue an impact, and we know that he knits things together. Back, not just because the band's finished, we've been able to play in this regard, it's just Europa League, but it's going to be good to see him again. I'm assuming he's going to start. So I will say, in the 8 games that he finished, 2 of the toughest away games we could get this season in Arsenal and Newcastle, we've won 5. We've won 5, 0-1 without him, and then obviously lost the other 2, so it's not bad.
Det ændrede jeg ikke at kigge på fodbold, det ved du godt. Jeg tror nu, at vi i Danmark ikke helt ved, hvor stor Christian Eriksen er.
So that was an interesting one, and he also
I England.
against Betis.
Vi ved godt, hvorfor.
But he scored in the cup as well. So
så meget kvalitet. Har været god for Tottenham. Kommer til Brentford. Sørger for, at en stor del af de bliver oppe sidste år. Kommer til Manchester United. På klasse. Spiller sammen med Casemiro. Vundet 5 Champions League. Spiller sammen med Bruno Fernandes. Og bare lige så god som den.
But what is interesting, I can't see changing too much. We've seen so many players play in different positions. How we don't see that. We've seen whether it's Harry Maguire, whether it's Average Scott. We've seen the players doing up every season. For me, to look at things. But on Jadon, I just think it's perfect. And you're thinking, where is he going to fit into this team? Obviously on the right hand side, favouring Anthony, giving us that balance. It was a bit scarce for game time. With Ten Hag even trying to shoehorn Sancho into the number 10 position or into central areas. So now he's going to get some time on the left hand side to be straight back in. Didn't play too long. In the game against him, didn't play too long. But he doesn't come straight back in. Doesn't play what McTominay played well in last season. Or does he just go back and try Eriksen, so let me know what you guys think. They're going to take the trip to Old Trafford. Oh, good. It's about time. Good. That day, yeah, because it's like there's a stupid. You can't build anything, change anything, even if the manager.